Today's video is another what's sold on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon in just one weekend. Stick around to the end of the video to find out about my Facebook Marketplace sale from a man who purchased 3 women's undergarments. I did run a sale on eBay for jeans, a 25% off promotion. I did sell 9 pair of jeans and you will see those here today. However, I only sold 2 pair on eBay. I'm not sure what to think of that, but perhaps buyers are shopping for jeans on Poshmark and Mercari instead of eBay. What do you think? My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I am a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and Amazon, and in today's video I will cover some of the sales that I had over the weekend. This is a variety of clothing items, mainly baby, men's, and women's, jeans and shirts. I will go through the items in ascending order from the lowest sale to the highest sale price, so stick around till the end of the video to see what sold for the most money and on which platform. If this sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Now let's see what I sold. The first item to sell sold on eBay. It was a Columbia pair of Omni Shield Advanced Repellency shorts. These are outdoor hiking shorts for women. I paid $3.50 for these. I accepted a best offer of $13 plus $7 shipping. I probably could have held out for more, but it was a quick flip and sold within 2 weeks of listing. Just flipping through the pictures here. This is the tag, and they have a drawstring waist, so keep your eye out for anything outdoors or hiking related. The next item to sell sold on Mercari, this baby 18-month size Harley Davidson t-shirt. I picked up a box of these a couple years ago at Salvation Army. My cost on these 50 cents each. I accepted a best offer of $15 plus $5.99 shipping on Mercari. So my profit on these, $12.26. I do have more of these baby t-shirts available in various sizes. So if you're interested, I'll link my eBay store in the description below. The next item sold on eBay, a Chico's plus size women's shirt. I've had this shirt since last summer. I paid $3.50 for it. I accepted a best offer of $18 plus $6 shipping. I do like to pick up Chico's brand in the larger sizes. They do have vanity sizing, so it is a 4. When I do list Chico's clothing, I always include their sizing chart. My profit on this shirt after fees and my cost of goods sold, $13.81. This is the first pair of jeans that sold, BKE Buckle. I just started picking up this brand and it is doing fairly well. That's what the tag looks like. This is a size 26. Has a little distressed look plus some sandblasting front. I paid $4.25 for this. I sent an offer to Watcher on eBay for $19.92 plus $9 shipping. So my profit on these, $13.15. This sold within 1 week and I'm happy with that quick flip. The next item sold on Poshmark, a pair of Athleta leggings. These weren't in the best condition. I paid $3.50 for these. They sold for $20 on Poshmark, so my profit $12.50. The next item sold on Mercari. This was actually my shirt from my own personal closet. It sold within 10 days for $20 on Mercari. So my cost, I put at nothing as it did come from my closet. It's just an Aeropostale layered ruffle tank top with sequins on it. My profit, $17.12. This is a new with tag Sport Savvy from QVC Shopping Network. I've had this listed since last summer. I've sent an offer to Watcher for $24.92 plus $11 shipping. I did think it would sell for more since it is a plus size and new with tag. I paid $3.50 for this, so my profit $19.99. I'm happy to see it go after 1 year. This is what that tag looks like. I'm on the fence if I'd pick up this brand by itself without new with tags, but plus size shirts seem to do well, and this one, even being long sleeved, sold during summer. The next item to sell sold on Facebook, a pair of Victoria's Secret Sport leggings. These sold within 1 week. I paid $3.50 for these. They sold for $25. So my profit, $19.86. They're Victoria's Secret Sport. Another pair of jeans sold on Poshmark. This pair is silver jeans, the kick flare denim. This took about a month to sell. I paid $4.25 for these. They sold for $25 on Poshmark, so my profit, $15.75. The next item to sell was also jeans, Miss Me on Mercari. Again, my jeans are $4.25. They sold for $27 on Mercari plus $7.99 shipping. My profit on this, $19.72. Here is a pair of Grey's Anatomy scrub pants, size medium tall. As you can see, it says 4232T on the style with tall underneath. So yes, they are medium tall, and I always include measurements, including inseam, in my description. I paid $3.50 for these. They sold for my full price of $27 plus $7 shipping, so my profit, $21.40. Here's another pair of denim jeans. This one can button fly. $4.25 for these. They sold for $27 on Mercari, so my profit, $18.97. Here is a Lily Pulitzer 100% silk shirt. I've had this listed since last summer. I did finally cross-list it to Facebook yesterday, and it sold right away. So I paid $3.50 for this. It sold for $27 on Facebook plus $5.50 shipping. So my profit, $21.87. I cross-list my items using List Perfectly. If you're not already using List Perfectly, I'd like for you to give it a try. You can save 30% off of your first month subscription using my code pieceofscrap. I will include my affiliate link in the description below. Here's another pair of denim jeans. This BKE Stella boot cut, 27 long. This is what that tag looks like. These were listed just 5 days. I paid $4.25 for these. They sold for $30 plus shipping. So my profit, $21.58. Here is a pair of American Eagle boyfriend jeans, size 14 extra long. I paid $4.25 for this. They sold for $30 on Mercari, so my profit, $19.75. These also sold within 4 days, so keep your eye open. You may not think it, but keep your eye open for American Eagle and BKE buckle. Here is another pair of denim jeans, this one Ariat. Paid $4.25 for this. This also sold within 5 days for $33 on Mercari. So my profit, $24.19. These are actually capri pants, and they still sold fairly quickly for quite a bit of money. Here's another pair of denim jeans. This one's silver, mid-straight. Again, my jeans are $4.25. They sold for $34 on Facebook plus $9 shipping. So my profit after fees and cost of goods sold, $27.40. And these are somewhat embellished on the back pocket, and they are hemmed, as you can see here in the title. I do include measurements. They appear to be hemmed to 29-inch inseam. Here is a pair of guys' denim jeans, cinch denim. It's the white label, which looks like this. It's the cinch Logan. I paid $5 for these at an out-of-town thrift store. They sold for $35 within 20 days. So my profit, $23. And here is my final jean sale, Levi's 501 button fly. I paid $4.25 for these at Goodwill. They sold within 2 days for $44.99 plus $9 shipping. This is what that tag looks like. These are made in the USA, all cotton, which adds to the value. So my profit on this, $34.96. I also had an interesting sale on Facebook Marketplace on Saturday night. A gentleman messaged me about a corset bra that I had listed. I actually had it on Amazon for quite some time, so I was okay taking $20. He was local to the area and said he would pick it up. He also mentioned that he was looking for bras, panties, lingerie, shoes, and waist trainers. I sent him a few pictures of the used bras that I had, and he picked out 2 more items. He offered $45 for everything, to which I agreed. I gathered up the items and set them at the foot of my stairs outside for a porch pickup. Even my husband was a little creeped out by this, that I was selling 3 women's underwear pieces to a man. It is a little weird, but money is money, and I'll take it. He turned out to be a stellar buyer, one us sellers always dream about. He left the cash underneath my flower pot and went on his merry way. So no troubles there. What do y'all think about this? Is it a little weird? Would you have done the same thing? Let me know in the comment section below. I just shared with you some of the items that I sold over the weekend. Now that's from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Leave a comment in the section below and let me know which one was your favorite. Have you sold these items before? If you learned something new today or found this video helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, which really helps my channel. Then click subscribe and that notification bell to be notified of my next video. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.